Suckle duckle ding dong. Sup people, Minecraft fans. It's Jeff's Games and Vids here. And we're playing Let's Play Minecraft. So last episode we went in the ravine. But first I wanna go back there. And yeah. So let's try to not. Whoa, we just went right through that. That was crazy, man. Yeah, so we're back. Hey. Let's, go over here where the... I missed that. I didn't know that. Okay. And then bam! What a bing! Is that sand? No! Wow. I thought I was gonna die right there. But luckily, yikes, we didn't. Like, oh my god, how are we ever gonna get down there? Wow. How are we gonna get down there? Maybe we could dig around. Try to make it easy for us to. Yeah. Okay. I'm just trying to be careful right now. I knew it was gonna happen. Yeah, let's make this easy to get up and stuff. And I see gold right there. Oh my god, we can make a golden apple. Because you need golden nuggets now. Ooh, so we can make one. Hooray! I think it's safe if we do it. Okay. I need light. Okay, there we go. That's just like so scary for me. Whoa. Okay. This might be really hard to get down. Wow, this might be really hard. Oh, I thought I saw lapis right there. Make it easy so we don't. Phew. Okay, this is like really... I think we're never gonna get down there. I don't think we'll ever... Okay. We might have to go back and get another pick because this one looks like it's running out. Shovel. I knew it would happen. Looks like a drop. This is quite scary. Yeah. Wow. The lava's like right there. Oh man. Ooh. Oh. Yikes. Okay, now. We might have to go back and get some water. So yeah. This is so scary. Who'd know that'd take forever to do? To get back and oh my god. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. So we need a bucket of water. Yeah. How much iron do we got? Oh, it's 2. I was hoping to get that gold. Boots, in case we fall. Ooh, okay. Ready, bye. Wow, I don't even think I'll... Didn't we have a bucket? I thought we did. It's kind of cool. I thought we did. Oh well. Water, here we come. Because of that lava right there. Okay, let's make it down there, get that gold, and I hope I will be able to do that, because my camera, the battery is almost dead, so. Phew. Yeah, still a bean. I knew it because the beans are big, pretty big. Oh, this way. Oh, it didn't do anything, really. This is like hard. Ooh. Delicious right there. How are we gonna get down there if the lava's right there? Oh, no, no, no. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm dead. I made it back.